Score My Team by Nalir. Score My Team is a module that you can create scorecards, and you have a lot of different options on what you could do with these scorecards. We did bonuses based off of these scores, but you could use it to just track to see how employees work on tickets. They work on them in real time, how they do on their timesheets. It's a very powerful tool. You can create as many scorebooks as you want for whoever you want. You can see we have scorebooks for project service, cyber team. We also have the demo scorebook, which we'll drill down on, and brings up all the scorecards. Modules can be added or removed. They could have different weights. That shows the weight of each module. And a lot of these modules are based on how technicians work on tickets. Real-time ticketing is our flagship module, which grades them on how they work on tickets. If I assign you a ticket for 11 a.m. and you open it up and put it in progress and read it over and do all the work and enter your notes and add a config and type, subtype an item and complete the ticket, you're going to get all positive points. If I assign you a ticket at 11 a.m. and you look at it, do the work, and then at 11:30 you put it in progress and backfill your time, you're not going to get all positive points. And you could drill down on any one of these scores and see every ticket worked on and the analysis of each ticket. And you can see there's a lot of positives and there's a few negatives. In progress longer than actual work. It was in progress for an hour, only 20 minutes was recorded against it. And time entry, it's exactly what it says. And you could drill down on any one of these and see all the notes. And each time this ticket was touched by different people as well. And you can see there's a big analysis on this ticket. Mostly positive points, negatives. You could also see the audit trail of the ticket below. We also have modules related to timesheets and any corrections done on timesheets. You could drill down on this. If the work type was changed, it will deduct points. Or if the agreement was changed, or if it was set from billable to non-billable. And if you're spending a lot of time correcting timesheets, and your technicians are making the same mistakes over and over again, then they will be able to see the mistakes they're making. And it will also deduct from their score, because Score My Team also gamifies work and can make it a little bit more exciting. You can create scorecards and set them to rank people from first, second, third place. You could also create scorecards and have individual metrics where they're scoring 0 to 100 points. And you can go in and edit your scorecard, pick a start and end time for it. This is the weight of each module. You could see the averages of the scores. You could see your own averages. You could also set your own scores, what's considered poor, good, or great. You could also see trends, if there's trending up or down. Down below here are all the other additional modules, and you can create a custom module. And I did this often, especially for corrective actions. I had some issues with a technician being late for the huddle I ran every day. And, it's a 5, 6, 7 minute meeting. And when the technician was late, it was distracting. So I essentially created a custom module which kept track of if they were on time or not. And I put the scores in manually. And after like 2 weeks, I could tell you it corrects the actions, especially if you're dangling a carrot in front of them. There's all these other additional scoring modules related to configurations, a lot of real-time ticketing. There's ones for ticket resolution, timesheets, work types as well. And you can create as many scorecards as you want. You could edit them, you could change them, you could have them end. To add a scorebook, click Add Scorebook, type in a name. Choose if you want ranking, first, second, third place. Individual metrics, again, they're competing against themselves, scoring 0 to 100 points. Choose who you want on the scorecard, and you could have multiple scorecards with the same people on it. It's up to you. Choose a start and end time. Obviously, if you want it to run for a quarter or a month or a year, you choose a future date. And you could choose, by default, we set real-time ticketing and ticket timesheets as modules. But you can come in here and choose whatever else you'd like. And once you have everything picked, you go next and you could view your scorebook. And there's the one we just created. And I just added more modules to it. And as tickets are worked on or configurations are worked on or whatever, timesheets, it will start populating scores in here.